I told you he's sleeping. So when he woke up instant, that's super tall, right? And that's my last joke for today. Okay, now our vote is number 38. So, okay, get up. It's only in 3,901 hectares of land of protected area. And then 1999, it was enlisted in the UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. They buffer it into 22,202 hectares of protected area to ensure the protections of this. So sometimes there is also a tabon bird here in the Palawan Peacock Pheasant. Reset. Right. Get the third requirements, the audio guide device. Right, get your audio. And again, do not press anything for a moment. Wait for the audio guides to set it up. Once you get bored in the canoe trips, it will be your narrator and as well as the navigator, the caveman. I mean the cave guides. So there's an AirPods because audio, and you have to put that on your ear, not in the nose, in the ear. So your audio guide device, your narrator inside the cave. Tapos. Alright. So there are some other international language like Spanish, Italian, and French. So it's like multilingual translator too. Dati wala pa pong ganyan before pandemic. Yan, ngayon po kasi para yung mga hindi marunong mag-English, mga ibang lahi. Alright, then, okay, those who are ready, step forward.
Sir, sa inyo wala pa. Wala pa. Okay. Okay na sa tayo. Wala po.
They are not thinking of you, but once they get opportunity, they will grab it. Alright, so same loading. Okay, now right here.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, first boat, go quick. Okay, now you're about to go inside the cave. In my final orientation, meet your official guide because I will pass the authorities to them. So right here, the first boat, same loading outside. Alright, so still same loading, boat 38 in boat 39. Alright, so 6 in 7 because I'm not coming with you inside. Alright, 6 or 7 and 6. 7 and 6, that's the first boat. Okay, so boat number 30. Hang on. Who's the first boat? 38? Alright, 38, your official guide, meet Kuya Kaloy. Alright, and the 39, Kuya Erwin. On the other side is just getting his boat. And now, listen up. Okay, so they will do the paddling manually for 45 minutes in 1.5 kilometers manually, alright? In and out. And if you have questions and concerns regarding of the tour, do not hesitate to ask him, alright? And listen to all of their instructions too, because they are holding your life, your boat in the paddle as well. And later on, after the tour, if you enjoyed their services, and if you want to share your blessings, your gratuity, alright, you can look after them. It's up to you, alright? And they will take care of you now, alright? Sa mga locals po, pwede niyang abutan ng mga alaksan. At saka nagpapagatas po sila yung brand beer. Beer brand, right? So kayo na pong bahala sa kanila. Si Kuya Erwin po sa second boat.
Okay, bossing.
Hindi tayo balance.
Alright, so as you can see, they have their EV8.
Pwede ito ba yung kuya? Okay. Yeah. Pwede ito at ito. Dami nila. Ah, ibon po yan, hindi paniki. Ah, opo. Ayan. Picture. Ayan ni Max Ross. Ito, akala ko pinakang mo. May lipstick kuya. Ah, happy birthday! Cathedral? Mama Mary? Ay, dito pa. Yeah. Ito yung candle naman. Galing, no? Okay na mag-private. Angel? Ito po. Unahan ng konti. Ito. Ito yung Holy Family. Kaya tinawag na cathedral. Look, water. Ano naman yung kuya? Bahala na ako dito. Chandelier. Hindi. Oh. Ito ko kauya. May iba tawag nila. Mushroom. Ay, ito sa ito. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Bakit po? Yeah. Listen.
Ayan, may poke.
Yeah, eto. Nakagalan. Yes. Hi.
Actually,
Meron din ako. Boy water. Ah, yeah.
Nakita niyo yung mukha ng gwardiya? Ayun ang patingin sa atin.
Yung may black?
Ayun yung mata.
Yeah.
Ayun yung traffic ng gwardiya. Tapos sa likod si Mama Mary. Ayun nakatayo.
Yeah, there sa taas. Saan yung bato? Yan na yung bato. May tae yung daliri ko. Next one. Ito yung puwet. Puwet. Yeah. Underground. Ibig sabihin, kuya, ang taas nito, yung mga puno-puno na. Oo, yung bundok. Oh. Kasa, kuya. Pasok. Ito po. Yun. Yan.
Himi, tingin dito. Tingin dito.
Paglabas natin, pagbayas na kami natin. Walang tutunan na kami.
Ay, ito. Dati bibili ka makabili. Hi! Nadididi, smile.
Okay, everybody wake up now.
Okay.
Good morning, your brain is over. Tapos na po yung panaginip. And congratulations and welcome again sa lahat. Sana po everybody happy. Everybody happy?
Yes
Yes.
po! Mukha kami lang.
Ako hindi. Nasabi ko kayo hindi na ako.
Kailan ka ngayon, kuya? Walang biyahe. Simula umaga.
Alam mo parang yun ang biyahe.
Pare-parehas lang.
Ay,
Hindi nga nagkamang
daming fish. Okay, this is the Palawan Cave.
Paggabi lang nag-atake.
Wait, duda ko dito yung kasama yung mga bata.
Ano pa?
Duda ko dito yung kasama yung mga bata.
Smile ka muna sa akin.
Ikaw na si Batman.
Nadididi, smile. Look here.
Okay.
Smile. Smile first.
Okay. Say bye-bye na, Sabi.
And where is Palawan? You cannot find Palawan under the Philippines because Palawan is over here in this scratch because I always do that every day. And that's near in this big Eurasian plate. I'm not gonna mention that country right now, but you know it already. SCS crust stands for South China Sea crust, right? Then 15 million years ago, time skip, during Middle Miocene epoch, that
Oh, it's a mangrove. Nice.
They are Mamay and Reese. Look at the roots.
Welcome.
Walang ayos-ayos. Be careful with your
Makipimpinaltog. This is mangroves.
Maliwanag pa, habang maliwanag pa. One, two, three. Pasok-pasok mo ka.
Teka.
Offset, picture na ako.
ikaw sabi niyo pa rin ano, para hindi na maka-afford ko yun. Lobster.
Cheers, cheers, the natural beer. Cheers, cheers, beer garden. Jug, 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 jug.